Hello everyone, this is Astrid with Kanen Coffee. I have this Lelit Elizabeth. This machine had some problems with the leaking. So it was leaking the steam boiler from the water level probe and from the vacuum release valve. So I replaced the vacuum release valve. Here is the old one. A little bit of the hose came off with it, but no big deal. Then I cleaned the probe and replaced the seal on that. In addition to that, there was an issue with the power switch. It was just sort of breaking, so it wasn't keeping the machine on. It was like sometimes on, sometimes off. I just replaced the switch, really easy repair. Here's the old one. And then I did a full tune-up on the machine. So I replaced the gaskets in here, which look like this, and the screen and the group head, which is the old one. And after that, I cleaned out all the coffee residue from the group head and from those water lines. I descaled the machine, so this is a dual boiler machine. So I descaled both the brew boiler and the steam boiler, which is towards the back of the machine. I cleaned out the steam one from any excess milk residue. Sometimes some milk solids will get stuck in here, and all I did was just soak it in some milk cleaner. I think that's about it for this repair. So I'm gonna just do a quick demo just to show you that the machine is now working. So we'll pull a double shot. And this machine has some pre-infusion programmed. So it's not going to come out as the perfect shot because this is just our test coffee. It's not calibrated to the machine, but this is just to show that you're still getting some really nice crema and that it can get up to pressure. So here's the steam. Just do that. And I'll just show you the hot water. Alright, that's about it for this repair. So if you like the video, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.